guys, Namaskar, I'm Ranat and welcome back to my channel, The Bomb Connection. Today I'm going to react to the official teaser for Prithviraj, starring Akshay Kumar, Sanjay Dutt, Sonu Sood, Manavij Ashutosh Rana, Sakshi Tanwar, and this also is a debut film for Manushi Chillar. So it's a star-studded cast. Cool, and this is written and directed by Dr. Chandra Prakash Dwivedi. So, and the music is by Shankar Hassan Loy. So cool. So this is a huge project. Let's watch this, and then I will give you my thoughts after I watch this teaser. In 3, 2, 1, and go.
जिसके पीछे 100 सिर, 100 सामंत, वतन और वचन के लिए सिर कटाने को तैयार हूं, वो सम्राट पृथ्वीराज चौहान होता है। सभी सलामी के लिए तैयार हूं। हिंदुस्तान का शेर आ रहा है।
Sonu Sood. Glad to see him. He's beautiful.
धर्म के लिए जिया हूं, धर्म के लिए मरूंगा।
Okay. Okay, so what did I think about this teaser? There were few things which were a little out of place for me. Let's get them out of the way first. I will talk about them and then I will talk about the positives that I took from this trailer. First of all, Akshay Kumar's look. His costume, good. His mustache, good. Him as an actor, good. But what about his hair? He looks like he just came out of what was his last movie? Aila De Aila, Suryavanshi, and just put on a mustache and he's acting in this movie. There was not much effort put into his look. First of all, Prithviraj Chauhan, I was expecting long hair because if you have watched the show Prithviraj Chauhan, which was portrayed by the young Rajat Tokas, that was actually the epitome of a great portrayal by a child actor, and he did such an amazing job. And we all know that Prithviraj was very young when he came to power, and he died very young as well, around 26 or 27. First of all, my concern is with the age. He's supposed to be younger, and I still feel that someone younger could have done a better job. Akshay Kumar is a bankable star. We know that. His commercial success is huge, and he's definitely bound to give another hit after Suryavanshi. This is going to be a blockbuster. It's written all over it. But sometimes I wish they choose an actor according to the demand of the role. This is just not another fantasy or action movie. This is actually based on a true story of a true character who was very important in our history, right? So if they could have chosen someone younger to portray the role, I think that would have been better in terms of looks. And on top of that, the look also, it seems that they have not put much thought into the portrayal and the way Prithviraj should look. That's the biggest pet peeve I have. The second pet peeve is Manushi Chillar, I think, is very, very young. She is 24. The age gap is too much between, though they have tried to make Akshay Kumar look young and he's looking great. He is looking great, but that doesn't, that's too much for me. And that last scene where he picked her up, it was a little over the top. Even the dialogue delivery seemed a little off for me because the way he was saying those dialogues, it was like I could only get glimpses of him saying dialogues in Rowdy Rathore. जो मैं करता हूँ क्या, मैं भूल गया यार वो what was the dialogue, वो famous dialogue. But definitely karta hu, something like that. So it gave me glimpses like that. Like I thought everything from the beginning to the end, everything was going good. The cinematography, okay, these are the bad things. Let's talk about the things which I liked about this teaser. The cinematography is amazing, which is expected. The scale is huge. They have shot it in a huge scale, and the costumes are very befitting. All the characters and the costumes are amazing, especially Sanjay Dutt's character. He looks really regal and royal. Manushi Chiller's costume, she looks beautiful, and that's the first time we see her in a movie. She looks amazing. Apart from that, what I liked, the background score was really good. Like from the beginning to the end, the background score just made a mark. And Shankar Ehsaan Loy, no wonder they're going to create amazing background score. The action scenes look really good, and also I'm so glad to see Sonu Sood after a long time. He deserves more good work. So yeah, I'm happy about that. But that's it. So I have kind of a mixed feeling about this teaser. I need to watch the movie to understand whether, this movie is going to be that good or not. And I want to also know the story they are going to incorporate, because Prithviraj Chauhan, his story, he has many stories, and there are many stories included in our history books also. Throughout the history, there have been a lot of other stories told about Prithviraj Chauhan. So I want to know which one they're going to include in this movie. So let's see. I'm like crossing my fingers. I'm not very hyped about this movie. At the same time, I'm looking forward to it. And if I watch it, then I will let you know what I think. But so far, I have a kind of a mixed feeling about this. So yeah, that's it. Let me know what you guys think. I'm pretty sure most of the Akshay fans will disagree with me, but I want your unbiased opinion about what you think about this teaser. Okay, so I'm going to give you my unbiased opinion. I expect the same from you guys. So let me know down below in the comment section. That's it, guys. I will be seeing you guys again. Till then, keep liking, subscribing, and sharing. Until then, ciao.